Welcome to part 3 in profit and loss account. It is very important. In this part, I want to explain about type 5 and type 6 questions in profit and loss account. In type 6, there are 4 cases. Very important concept. Please do watch until the end. At the end, there are some questions. Do practice and write your answers in comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Now see first question in type 5. The profit on selling an article for 960 rupees is equal to loss on selling an article for 820 rupees. Find the cost price. Here profit is equal to loss. Profit on selling an article for what? 960 rupees. See, profit equal to loss. Profit means selling price minus cost price. Yes or no? If selling price is greater than cost price, then there is a profit equal to loss. Loss means if cost price is less than selling price, then there is a loss. So here CP minus SP. And see given information, the profit on selling an article for 960 rupees. So here SP value is what? 960. 960 minus CP equal to loss on selling an article for 820. Here SP is 820 rupees. CP equal to CP. Now calculate this one. CP again CP. So 2CP equal to 960 plus 820. That implies CP equal to 960 plus 820 by 2. See here, observe this one. Cost price equal to given values 960 and 820 are given values. Add those values then by 2. This is called arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean. This is a formula. This is a shortcut to solve this type of questions. Now calculate. CP equal to what? 0 and 8, 17 by 2. Then here how many times cancelled? 8 times and 9 times 0. 890 is the result. The cost price equal to 890. Without writing these steps, directly take this one. Add given values then by 2. This is called arithmetic mean. Do watch second and third questions also, then you will get clear idea about this type 5. Now see second question. Twice the profit by selling an article for 720. Twice the profit 2P equal to thrice the loss by selling an article for 620. Thrice the loss 3. Now see, 2 into profit means here SP minus CP and 3 into loss means CP minus SP. Then 2 into selling price 720 minus CP equal to 3 into thrice the loss by selling an article 620. Here CP minus 620. Now 2 into 720 minus 2CP equal to 3CP minus 3 into 620. 2CP and 3CP, 5CP. 5CP equal to, I want to write as it is, 2 into 720 plus 3 into 620. Now place this 5 at denominator divided by 5. Now observe this CP equal to 2 into given values. 2 into 720 plus 3 into loss by selling an article for 620. 620 by 2 plus 3. 5 means here 2 plus 3. This is a shortcut. This is arithmetic mean. Directly use this shortcut. Don't write all these things. So now 2 into 720, 0, 4 and 14 plus 3 into 620, 0 and 6, 18 by 5. Then final result is 660 rupees. Now see third question. Thrice the profit by selling an article for 720. Thrice the profit. 3 into, what is the result? 720. Thrice the profit by selling an article for 720 equal to twice the profit. Here see profit again profit. Very important. In first question there is a profit and there is a loss. And in second question is also there is a profit and a loss. That's why I used a plus symbol in between values. But in third question there is a profit and profit. Same like poles. Like poles are always repulsive. So take a minus. 3 into 720 minus twice the profit by selling an article for what? 730. Twice 2 into 730 by how much? 3 minus 2, not plus. 3 minus 2. This is a shortcut. Arithmetic mean. Okay. Now calculate 0, 6 and 21 minus 0, 6 and 14 by 3 minus 1 means 1. That equal to 0, 0 and 11, 4, 7, 700. Okay, 700 is the final value. Now coming to type 6 in profit and loss account. This is very important type. In this type there are 4 cases. First see case 1. Suppose a person purchased 2 articles. Articles means 2 horses or 2 cows or 2 books or 2 pens, anything. A person purchased 2 articles for same price. And he sold one article at a profit of 10% and other article for a loss of 10%. Here cost price is the same and percentages of profit and loss are also same. That is first case. And second case is cost prices are same and percentages are different. Profit percentage and loss percentages are different. That is second case. Here given values are cost price is same and selling prices. After selling first one there is a profit and after selling second one there is a loss. And in first case percentages are same and in second case percentages are different. In these 2 cases finally find out the profit and loss percentages. And third case is selling prices are same. Selling prices are same and percentages are same. Profit percentage and loss percentages of a selling price are same. Then find out profit or loss percentage. And fourth case is selling prices are same and profit percentage and loss percentages are different. These 4 cases are very important. Now see case 1. First question. If the cost price of 2 articles are equal, a person sold the article 1 at 10% profit and another at 10% loss. Then find the overall profit or loss percentage. See, for suppose CP1, cost price of first article is 100 rupees and second article is also 100 rupees because here if the cost price of 2 articles are equal. A person sold the articles 1 at 10% profit. 10% profit. Profit means here add 10% of this value to this value. What is the 10% on this 100? That equal to 10. So add this 10 to this 100. So 110 rupees. This is selling price of first article. Now next one is another at 10% loss. 10% loss. So 10% on this 100 means same 10, but loss means subtract this 10 from this 100, then what is the value? 90. This is SP2. Selling price 1 and selling price 2. Finally here find out the profit or loss percentage. What is the total cost price of 2 articles? 200 rupees, total CP. And total SP of 2 articles is what? 110 plus 90, that is also 200, total SP. And here cost price and selling price both are equal, then there is no profit and no loss. Very important, if the cost prices of 2 articles are same, then selling price of first article is 10% profit and second article is 10% loss. Means profit and loss percentages are equal here. Then finally we cannot get any profit and any loss. No profit and no loss is the result. Now case 2. Case 2 is if 2 articles are purchased for same value, means cost prices are equal. Suppose CP1 equal to 100 and CP2 equal to 100, same, and profit percentage is different from loss percentage. Means here first article sold at a profit of 20%, profit of 20%, and the second article sold at a loss of 10%. Here percentages are different. One is a profit and other one is a loss. Now calculate 20% on this 100, that equal to 20. Profit means add that value. So 120. 120 means SP1. Selling price 1. And SP2 equal to 10% of 100 means equal to 10. But here loss means value is 90. So 120 and 90, first article selling price and second article selling price. Here total CP equal to what? 100 plus 100, that equal to 200. Total SP equal to what? 120 plus 90, that is 210. Now see here, profit or loss? Profit, because selling price is greater than cost price. How much difference is there? 10. So here profit percentage equal to profit means 10. Difference between selling price and cost price. By cost price is 200 into 100, then 5. So 5% profit is the result. This is second case. In previous explanation, 20% profit and 10% loss, and cost prices of 2 articles are same. In this case, take average. Average means here this is a profit, so plus 20, and this is loss, so minus by 2. That equal to 10 by 2. That equal to 5%. Here this is a positive value, so 5% profit. Okay, this is a shortcut. Now see another example for case 2. A person purchased 2 articles. For each one 9999. For each one means CP1 equal to 9999 and CP2 is also 9999. One he sold at a profit of 18%, 18% of profit, and other one he sold at a loss of 6%, loss equal to 6%. Find his overall profit or loss percentage. Here don't take this value. No need to take that value, not necessary. Directly apply the formula, that is average. Here 18 minus loss means minus 6 by 2. So 12 by 2, that equal to 6% plus positive value, so 6% profit is the result. In this type of questions, don't take cost price value. Here value is 4 nines actual method, by using the actual method, if you want to calculate, this is very difficult. Means calculate 18% on this value and 6% on this value. That is very time consuming. Instead of this value, take 100 or 200 or 300, anything. Otherwise, don't take any value, then directly apply this formula. That is average. Next question. A man purchased 3 articles. Up to here we discussed about 2 articles only, but here a man purchased 3 articles, each one 800 rupees. He sold first one at 20% profit, second one 30% loss, and what should be his profit percentage on the third article? Ensure that make overall profit of 10%. See here, a man purchased 3 articles, each one 800 rupees. 800, 800, again 800. CP1, CP2 and CP3. He sold first one at 20% profit. Here 20% profit. And second one 30% loss. And third one we don't know. Suppose here this is X. And overall there is a profit, that is 10%. Overall profit is 10%. This is given information. In normal method, calculate 20% on this value and 30% on this value. Here loss means subtract value from this 800, that is the selling price, and add this value to this, then that is selling price of first article. Okay, here we don't know the percentage, we should find out this X value. Overall profit percentage is what? 10%. By using the average formula, see here 20% profit means plus 20 and 30% loss means minus 30, and here we don't know X values we don't know, but here profit percentage they have mentioned profit, so plus X by 3 equal to overall how much percentage? 10%. So 10. Now 20 minus 10 means minus 10 plus X equal to 30 and X is equal to 40. So here X value is how much? 40%. 40%. Profit or loss? Profit. Now see fourth question. The cost price of 2 articles are same. One he sold at a profit of 20% and other one he sold at a loss of 10%. 20% profit and other one is a 10% loss. Finally he gains 800 rupees as a profit. Find the cost price of every article. See here, cost price of 2 articles are the same and percentages are different. Then take average. So 20 minus 10, because here this is a loss, by 2, that equal to 10 by 2 means 5. 5% profit. Okay. Here in this question they have given finally he gains 800 rupees as a profit. Means here 5% is equal to value is 800. 5% is equal to what? 800. Then find the cost price of each article. Here 5% profit for 2 articles. Okay, 100% equal to how much? Now cross multiply 800 into 100 by 5. 1 time and 6 times. So 16000 is the value. For what? For 2 articles, not for 1 article. This is for 2 articles. Now to find cost price of every article, that is very important. Every article, take half value of this. Every article or each article value, cost price value is 16,000 by 2, that is equal to 8,000 is the result. This is very important because in the options of this question 16,000 also there. By mistake, if you put that this is your answer, that is wrong. So this is cost price for 2 articles, not for 1 article. In the question, they are asking cost price of each article. So that is 8,000 rupees. Now see case 3, first question. A person sold 2 articles for each one 990. Here selling price is same. In case 1 and case 2, cost prices are same. But in this case 3, selling price is same. A person sold 2 articles for each one 990. One he sold at a profit of 10% and other one he sold at a loss of 10%. Percentages of profit and loss are also same. Selling price is the same and profit percentage and loss percentages are also same. Then finally find his overall profit or loss percentage. In this type of questions, always we will get loss. Formula is profit value into loss value by 100. Suppose here x into minus x by 100, that equal to minus x square by 100 is the formula. Here x into x means x profit percentage and loss percentage, both are same. So here profit value and loss means minus value by 100 is the formula. Minus x square by 100 is the formula. So here given percentage is what? 10. So 10 square means 100 minus 100 by 100, that equal to minus 1. Minus 1 means here 1% loss. Now see second question in case 3. If the selling prices of 2 articles are same, one he sold at a profit of 30% and other one he sold at a loss of 30%. Finally he loses 720 rupees. Find the selling price of every article. See what is the formula here? Selling price of 2 articles are same and profit percentage, loss percentage both are same. In that case, take the formula minus x square by 100 means always there is a loss. That's why here in this question finally he loses 720 rupees is there. Okay, minus x square by 100 means what is the percentage here? 30. So minus 30 square by 100, that equal to 900 by 100, negative value. So 0 cancel. So 9% loss. Minus means 9% loss. Here 720 rupees loses means here 9% is equal to 720. Then finally find out the selling price of every article. Selling price means here cost price is always what? 100%. But in this question they are asking selling price. Here 9% loss means what about the selling price? 100% minus 9%. Then that is 91%. So find out the 91% value. That equal to 91 into 720 by 9. 9 how many times cancelled? 8 times 80. So here what is the result? 0 and 8. 8 9s are 72. 7280. 7280 is the value for 2 articles. Okay, selling price of 2 articles is 7280. But here we should find out the selling price of every article means 7280 by 2. Then 3640. Selling price of each article is 3640 rupees. Now see case 4. In case 4, selling price of 2 articles are same and percentages are different. Profit percentage and loss percentages both are different. See the question. The selling prices of 2 articles are same One he sold at a profit of 20% and other one he sold at a loss of 10%. 20% profit and 10% loss, both are different. This is a fourth case, but selling prices are same. And find his overall profit or loss percentage. In this case, the formula is 2ab by a plus b. Take harmonic mean. 2ab by a plus b minus 100. Here 100 is a cost price and this is a selling price. Now substitute values. 2 into AB. Here this is not A. Remember this. This is not A. Convert these percentages in the form of a value. 20% profit means here A value is 120. And B means 10%, loss means 90. By here A plus B means 120 plus 90 minus 100. Now 2 into 120 into 90 by 210 minus 100. 3 cancelled 30 times and here 70 times. And 0 gets cancelled. Okay. Now see here, that equal to 2 into 12 is 24 into 30 minus 700 by 7. 60 and 72, 720 minus 700 by 7 and that equal to 20 by 7. What is the final result? 2 times cancelled and 6 by 7%. 6 by 7% is the result. Here this is a positive value, 20 by 7 is a positive value, that's why 6 by 7% profit. If you get negative value, the difference in between these two is a negative, then there will be loss. At the end there are 3 more questions. Please try to practice and write your answers in comment section. If you like the way of explanation and if this video is useful to you, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.